Hi, I'm Eric. I'm a rain hunter. Champion sent me to Bergen, Norway. That's the wettest place in Europe. For 5 days, I had to test their wipers. But I thought that I'd add a little fun and collect as much rain as possible. Why? Because I'm a rain hunter. How? This is how. Now, I challenge you to become a rain hunter too. Not in Norway, but online.
The virtual rain hunters had access to historical data about rainfall in 150 European cities. They had to decide on a route and collect as much rain as possible in 5 days. During the game week, they could still change their route based on that day's weather forecast. The website was connected to all the weather stations in Europe. This way we could calculate exactly how much rain they caught. The virtual rain hunters received daily updates about their performance and the competition in general. Every day they also got to see an episode of My Adventures, just to show them how the real champion rain hunter did it. And that wasn't so good, actually.